23, chapter number 23. So this chapter is in your book or not? No, line graph and linear graph is not there. Okay. See, line graph displays data that change continuously over a period of time. It consists of bits of line segment joining consecutively. Means before we are doing with a we like पहले हमने किया है उससे क्या बोलते हैं बार ग्राफ देन हिस्टोग्राम. नाउ दिस इज द थर्ड थिंग, लाइन ग्राफ. In this we have to use the values to represent in a graph and draw consecutive lines after one from the whatever point we get in in our Cartesian plane. ओके हमारे ग्राफ पेपर पे जो हम ग्राफ बनाएंगे उसमें जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमें मिले हैं उनको यूज करके हम अपना लाइन ग्राफ बनाते हैं. और वी हैव टू जॉइन टू डॉट. if there is a two dot then there is a straight line. After that again two dot. It may be a straight line or not a straight line from the previous. Compare with the previous one. Like if our graph is like this and suppose this graph starts from here. Now these are the points. Then we have to, now you see two points are straight, but the next is not straight. This is basically called a line graph, and line graph or a linear graph is used to compare, used for comparison. Okay, these type of graphs are used to compare, comparison, make a difference between 2 or 3 or 4 maybe, and this 4 is possible in only one graph. Suppose there is a 4 class and there is a test PT whatever तुम्हारा भी होता है. So if we make a graph of 4, so we are able to draw 4 classes, or we can represent the values in one single graph and then compare. Okay, so basically the line graph is used to compare between the 2, 3, 4, 5 whatever else. अब सबने क्रिकेट देखा है ना. तो क्रिकेट में क्या होता है, एक सपोज एक टीम है जो पहले खेलती है और एक टीम है जो बाद में खेलती है. सो इफ जो फर्स्ट प्ले करती है उसका पूरा रिकॉर्ड कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ हिस्टोग्राम, है ना. कि भाई ओवर 1 में इनका 6 था, 7, 8, 9, 10 पूरे 50 ओवर्स वॉट एवर या 20 ओवर्स का मैच है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी कैन यूज द ग्राफ टू रिप्रेजेंट द वैल्यूज. ओके, दूसरी भी टीम का हो गया. तो नाउ यू टेल मी कि वी आर एबल टू ड्रॉ द ट्रू हिस्टोग्राम टुगेदर. नो, है ना. तो बार ग्राफ इज अगेन देयर. वी कैन यूज द बार ग्राफ टू कंपेयर ऑल्सो, बट line graph is more convenient, easy to compare at a particular situation. वहां देखो जब क्रिकेट मैच देखते हो तो दिखाता है ना कि 30th ओवर पे जो फर्स्ट टीम थी उसका स्कोर 250 था. अब ये जो सेकंड है, जो सेकंड टीम प्ले कर रही है उसका either it is more than 250 or less than. If it is less, the line is below the existing line, or if it is more then it is above the existing line. जो पहले टीम खेल चुकी है उसको तो एग्जिस्ट हो जाएगा, वो तो एग्जिस्टेंस में रहेगा, लेकिन जो दूसरी टीम खेल रही है वो धीरे धीरे उसके ऊपर बनेगा। यस, सो this is done, or this is done with the help of line graph. So I don't want to use the example to do these questions. Let us move to the exercise, please. And this graph is very useful for the reading. मतलब ग्राफ बना हुआ है तो उसको पढ़ने में भी इजी हो जाता है। सो लेट अस सी कैसे क्वेश्चन है हमारे एक्सरसाइज में। नाउ स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज 23। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the following table depict the maximum temperature of a 7 days of a particular week, or please use only graph to draw this. Everyone, I want everyone draw directly in graph. Don't do the rough and then share it. कोई बात नहीं, you just draw. ये बहुत छोटा सा ग्राफ है, you can use only half page. Now the day, we can represent the day on x-axis and maximum temperature on y-axis. जी जी जी, डोंट यूज द वो नहीं, वो यहाँ मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये इसमें ये नीचे बनाने की जरूरत नहीं होती है। ओनली लाइक दिस, ओनली द क्वाड्रेंट वन, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द क्वाड्रेंट वन ओनली। Now see, this is the first question, so I am doing with you. If anyone has any problem, please check out it. So the following table depicted the temperature. अच्छा day है, so you can use day here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and if it is more then you can use more. 7, it is 7 only, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now there is a, you have to write the scale here, scale for y-axis. Scale for y-axis. So 1 unit or 10 small division is equal to, now Shraddha, I want to know with you ki what we have to take the scale, how much the scale we take, the temperature 5 is okay. चलो ठीक है, 5 भी ठीक है, 25, 28, 26, 32, 29, नहीं 5 तो बहुत, ये सारा ग्राफ एक ही जगह पे बन जाएगा। सो आई वांट कि यू कैन यूज डिफरेंट स्केल। आई थिंक देयर इज अ नॉइज, प्लीज म्यूट योर ऑडियो। 25, 28, 26, 32, 29, इफ वी यूज 5 तो भी ठीक है, चलो 5 इज कंफर्टेबल, 5 is exactly comfortable because there is 25, 28, 26, 32, 39, 34 and 31. But this formed between only in a very small area. So you just take care about your points. Now see, the maximum temperature we start with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then the last is 35. And you have to write like this here, temp in degrees Celsius. Okay? Everyone mention this. This is the y-axis is related for the temperature, and this is 5 degree Celsius. 1 unit is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. And this is for the days. So here you can write Monday, Tuesday, in short also no problem, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And you have to write days. Clear? बन गया ऐसा सबका? Now start. On Sunday starting में. Oh my God, तो क्या करें? Everyone must write the first day is the Sunday. First day is Sunday. Now, Manji, tell me what is the temperature on Sunday? So you can put only a dot. Everyone just put a dot. Okay? And Saksham, what is the temperature on Monday? So 28 comes in between 30 and 35, and here you can see if it is 30 and this is 25, and we know that there is a 10 division. So it means that मैं लिख दे रहा हूँ one small division is equal to 0.5 degrees Celsius. One small division is 0.5 degrees Celsius. So it is 28. 25 is here and 3 is more. So you have to multiply 2, 6. It means that it comes sixth line, sixth small division represent 28. Clear everyone or नहीं? जिसको नहीं हुआ please पूछ लेना. Yes. Now Shivani, tell me the Tuesday's temperature. 26. तो ये 25 है, ये 30 है, तो 26. हाँ वोट 26. तो वन का मतलब हो गया. हाँ तो दो दो ही होगा यहाँ पर, लगभग ऐसा कुछ आएगा. ये इधर बीच में आएगा. एवरीवन सी दिस इज दिस टू वेट वन ना. तो इट मींस दैट आफ्टर 25 second division after 25 second division will be 26. Clear? After 25 the second division, it may be like here, just above the 25. Just above the 25. And then next is 32 on Wednesday. Wednesday it will be 32. So 32, 30 is here on the graph, but 2, and now 2 multiplied by 2 degree na means 0.5 multiplied by 4. So the fourth after 30, fourth division is 32. ठीक है? समझ आया नहीं आया? फोर्थ लाइन जो होगा वो 32 होगा. मतलब 31, 31, 2, 3, फोर्थ. ये जो फोर्थ लाइन है ये रिप्रेजेंट जो फोर्थ लाइन है ये रिप्रेजेंट करेगा कि 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस को. ना ऑन वेडनेसडे इट विल बी 32. Okay, now the next is 29. So here it is 4. So it means that 4 times 2 is 8. So after 25, the eighth line. समझ रहे हो? After 25, the eighth line represents the 28 number, 28 degrees Celsius. Now on Friday it will be 34. Again, after 30, it will be 8th line. On Friday, after 30, it will be the 8th line. So it is like here maybe you can see, I don't have a cross line. So you can check please. Don't do the wrong. If any confusion, please ask. Now it is 31. So 30 is there in our graph. For 1, we can take 2 small division. So the second, after 30, the second division shows that the Saturday. See, clear? Now you can join the lines without using scale. This line must be the rough. ठीक है बनाया ठीक है ना मैंने फ्राइडे को कितना है 34 हाँ और ठीक है and you can draw with a free hand. Don't use scale to draw the lines. Just draw the free hand to draw the lines. Is it be clear for clear with everyone? Okay, good. So that out clear ना? सक्षम? आवाज ही नहीं आती है तुम्हारी बता तो दो कि हो गया नहीं हुआ डन डन तो सबका ही ऐसा बना होगा जस्ट शो मी हाँ ऐसा ही बना ऐसा ही है ना यू नहीं मुझे दिख नहीं रहा हाँ ठीक है नीचे बनाया ठीक है यू सबका ही ऐसा ही लाइन होगा थोड़ा मोड़ा डिफरेंस होगा उस लाइन में बट द लाइन ग्राफ इज लाइक दिस ओनली आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर और कोई कंफ्यूजन है किसी को इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो प्लीज बोलो नो सर गुड सो आई थिंक नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 डन है तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 3 you can do by your own. Now Manjeet, read the fourth question please. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good. So Anita starts off from home at 7 p.m. with her father on a scooter that goes a uniform 30 kilometer. So we have to make a table first 30 kilometer per hour. So her father dropped her at the school at after after half an hour. So she stay at school in uniform. Acha, we have to draw the two graphs here. We have to draw the two graphs here. Okay, one from home to school and second from school to home. So we have to make a two different tables. So we have to make a two different table. 2 मिनट बस. अच्छा बस आ गई क्या? अच्छा एक बस छोटा सा बता देता हूँ उसके बाद तुम लोग जा सकते हो. हाँ हाँ ये घर में कर लेना बस मैं जस्ट बता रहा हूँ सुन लो कुछ में ड्रॉ नहीं करना है जस्ट लिसन. सो यू हैव टू मेक अ टू टेबल्स. ठीक है सो वन इज द होम टू स्कूल and second is for school to home. ठीक है and now it start from 7 a.m. and reach in 1.5 hour. So नहीं इसका दो अलग अलग टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा क्या अच्छा चलो, इसका दो अलग अलग बनाना पड़ेगा, इसमें भी हमारे को टाइम मेंशन करना, टाइम, and you have to mention time here also. This is 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, and then 9. I think now this is the 1.5 hour, and you have to calculate the speed from here. See, what is the speed? Uniform speed is there, na? 30 kilometer per hour. Starts off from 7. Okay. कुछ चाहिए क्या? Okay, now leave that. The class is over now. We will discuss this question tomorrow. Or if anyone wants to try this question, they will try, because in this we have to make a this, because without this we are not able to represent, because the speed is given here. So we know, if we don't know the distance, then how do we represent this on a number, on a graph? So tomorrow we will discuss about it. Now the class is over. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Homework. The homework is the question number 2 and 3.